Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo chef, and I'm putting on my whiskey drinking hat. This one I picked up at the Buffalo Trace Distillery a few years ago, and just kind of sets the mood for what we're going to do here. You know, I have an extensive whiskey collection. It wraps around, goes over there, down below, down this rack, and some in the back room. But once in a while I get really lucky, and I get a hold of a bottle that's hard to come by, shall we say. I mean, you know, I know everybody goes out, tries to find this one. I got a few of those. I get excited when I find these, and I've got a few of them. Or even another Buffalo Trace product, Stag. Or, of course, Buffalo Trace. Or anything in the Weller line. But there's whiskeys from so many distilleries, and I've got some great ones. But I was very fortunate, not very long ago, to be invited to meet, greet, and get autographed bottles from Mr. Dirty Jobs himself, Mike Rowe. So I managed to get my hands on 2 bottles. Both of these are signed. And had a nice little conversation. Really tremendous guy. But this is Knobel whiskey. This is Mike Rowe's whiskey. Now, full disclosure, I opened this one the night I got them. And this is the Tennessee whiskey. There's 3 in the line. I got 2 of the 3. This one is 90 proof, so 45% alcohol. And I thought it was absolutely fantastic. It's got a light caramel flavor to it. There's definitely some notes, not really smoky, but very subtle notes, almost a candy cherry-like finish. And I just thought it was outstanding. But I'm told this is even better. This is the Rickhouse edition, and it is 95 proof. So that would be 47.5% alcohol. So let's give it a whirl. All right. It's a well-mounted cork. Ooh, that's got a really sweet aroma to it. There is a definite ethanol to it. So if you're a big whiskey guy, you're going to know that the difference in aroma when you hit some whiskey. Some stuff just has kind of an empty nose. There's no alcohol to it, no ethanol coming off of it. And for a lot of people, that's a lot more enjoyable. For more bourbon drinkers like myself, the ethanol is what produces the aroma that makes you want to taste it. And that's got some real ethanol. Oh my goodness. That's like, ooh, what a finish. When you taste it, first hits your tongue, it's just a punch of vanilla. And then there's a light caramel, and then you get the ethanol. And the finish, it's hard to describe. There's almost a velvety texture that's left behind in your mouth, which is reminiscent of higher end whiskeys for sure. And then I get cherries. I mean, that's the last flavor that just jumps out at me. Now I can feel it. That you've got that good solid corn hug, Kentucky hug, although this is Tennessee whiskey. And I can feel it just a little bit in my cheeks as well, which tells me there's quite a bit of rye in there. But that's exquisite. I'm very proud to be able to display these on my bar and to share them with friends. And they are small batch whiskeys from Knobel, courtesy of Mr. Dirty Jobs himself, Mike Rowe. Till next time, eat and drink fabulous. there's something you'd like to see me make, if you have questions about something in my collection, whatever, I'm here. See you on the next one.